You won't believe what I just found. See for yourself. Do you see that red part? Yeah, that red part. Right here, right here. Do you see this red part? It's a tornado warning. Yes, there is the firmament. Oh, there's also another one right here. And another one right here. This one is a minor. And these two are extreme. So, so yeah. This one has been issued is no longer in effect. So this one has gone. And these two is still in effect. There is also this tornado watch here. Index extreme. And they must be prepared to take shelter. So yeah. This one is cancelled and these two are still in place. There is also some more danger. Like stuff like these. And I'm not sure about the gale warnings. Like, they live in the ocean, maybe? But there's no tornado by. But except for this tornado watch and tornado warning. So, they all look familiar, but trust me, they're not. Except for this one. This one looks familiar. As they always. Like, so when I write this yellow part connects against the tornado warning. So that's all I have to say. If you're in Iowa, then you must take shelter. If you're inside the tornado, you're totally cooked. So stay safe in Iowa and goodbye.